How to add a staff member. Welcome to the child-friendly training video on adding a new staff member to our system. Start by navigating to the staff module. Remember, you can also upload a bulk list of staff members in the Setup module under Import Data. Okay, let's get started. Click the plus icon in the top left corner to begin, which will expand the form for additional details. Fill in the staff member's name, date of birth, and SIN number. Then specify their usual shift start and end times and typical break. This information triggers dashboard warnings if a staff member exceeds their scheduled hours, requiring admin approval to help keep your payroll on budget. Record the staff member's start date, marking their first paid shift. The termination date field should only be completed when the staff member leaves for record-keeping purposes. Enter their email. The email is vital for setting up their account to access the child-friendly app. Optionally, assign a staff ID. By default, staff can only log into child-friendly from admin-approved devices. This ensures sensitive student information isn't accessed on personal phones. However, if you prefer to let staff log in from anywhere, simply turn on the Allow Unauthorized Device Access toggle. For full setup instructions, check out our How to Authorize a Device video. Next, input the staff member's address details. In the Job Information section, enter details such as position and salary or hourly wage. You can also assign the staff member to their primary group. This unlocks group-specific features, such as the ability to message parents directly, if enabled. Add any certifications required, like an early childhood educator diploma. Other sections, including criminal record, intervention check, and first aid, can be completed now or later. Remember to enter expiry dates for each certificate. Child-Friendly will automatically track upcoming expiries in the dashboard. You can also schedule formal review dates now or add them later. The other section is for adding any relevant medical and emergency details. Include any notes if necessary. Once completed, save the new staff member to the system. Click the Create button to finalize. The new staff member will appear in the staff list and receive an email with setup instructions for their child-friendly account. To view or modify any staff member's details, click on their name. Here, you can also add a photo. Staff can reset their own passwords by using the Forgot Password link on the login screen, or you can reset their password here by clicking the Reset Password link. Once the staff member starts working, their attendance will be visible in the Attendance tab. You can filter their attendance by month for easier navigation. The Files tab stores all employment-related documents, record checks, and meeting notes. Digitize documents to save paperwork by clicking the New Folder icon to create folders for contracts and files. Name your folder and click Save. To add files, select the Upload File button from your device. Once uploaded, organize files by moving them into the appropriate folders. Access files anytime by opening the folder and downloading them. This concludes our training on adding a new staff member in Child-Friendly. For instructions on bulk uploads, see the Import Users video in the Setup folder.